Okay, we'll start with the Mustard C49S, size 14. We've got shear 40/0 olive. So we'll just attach our tying thread here and go a little ways back. Remove that. This is the $3 dip, a fantastic midge pattern, or a mayfly merger. I use this on blue-winged olives. So we'll just get a little piece of fine silver wire, attach this just there. A very simple pattern that you can tie in whatever colours you like. We'll go back. I like to make these quite deep into the hook bend, but of course you can adjust that to your own needs. So we'll go back to about there, then I'll spin my thread again anti-clockwise to flatten it, and then I'll go up over the body. I want to keep the body slim. All the way over the silver wire, and we'll take our wire and we'll make a few turns for the rib, like so, and then just go back a wee ways and we'll tie that off, and then I'll remove that with friction. I want to go back there. I've got a tiny bunch of natural deer hair. Now I stack this with the tips because this makes it much easier to tie in at the front and builds up less with the finer tips. So we just go, we want to keep this on top of the hook shank. Again, I'll just sort my thread out. So what we'll do is we'll go once around the bunch like that, place the bunch on the hook shank, and then around the hook shank twice, and then we can tighten up, and then we can go back, two or three turns, and then we can go forward. That's good. And we can take our scissors. We just want to trim off those tips. One left there. So spin my thread to flatten it again. Come up. Tie all those down. Go back to there. Then I want to trim the wing off a little less than the length of the hook. Just like that. Then I have one piece or one strand of pearl micro or nano crystal flash, and we'll just lift that up with the tying thread onto one side there, and go forward. Oops, two or three turns, and we'll fold that side back. Forward again. Let's tidy up that head. Take our tying thread, whip finisher, put a whip finish in there, remove the tying thread, take hold of the crystal hair and we'll cut that off. It has to be a little bit longer, just like that. And that is as simple as it gets. That's the $3 dip. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.